Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little lidded box and you can hear something's rattling around inside, and that's because I've got a tin of love hearts. So I found these on Amazon UK, and they have got little individual mini packs of love hearts inside. So I sized the box to fit it. I mean, there is a little bit of room for manoeuvre because I figured, well, you might not want to put love hearts in it, you might want to put something else in it. But it's a little lidded box, which I can't get the lid on. I'm standing up to film this. This is so unusual for me. And I've got here, it's sort of raised, and I've actually gone over an existing heart. Oh, I can't get my fingers underneath. So there's a heart there already, and I've just raised it up and then scattered these little extra hearts. But I'm using different paper. I'm gonna have to sit down for this. Hope you can still hear me. I have no idea what's going on. Right, so I've got a piece of Highland heather, and I want to cut this down to 8 by 8 inches, 20 by 20 centimetres. And somebody commented recently and said, can you, oh, there's my blades just jumped. Can you put your measurements on screen? I could, but you wouldn't see anything because I work in metric and I change into imperial for you. So I can't put it on screen. You really wouldn't see anything. However, if you click open the description bar, you're going to head straight to, you're going to see a link that will take you straight to this project. Okay, this is the other paper I've used, so slightly different. And you want to cut this at 7 by 7 inches, which is 17.5 by 17.5 centimetres. So yeah, I don't put the measurements on screen to be difficult. It's not because I'm trying to be difficult and demanding you go to my blog. It's simply because you wouldn't see anything going on. Okay, so with the base cardstock, let me find a stylus. There we go. Score this at 1.5 inches on all 4 sides, which is 4 centimetres if you work in metric, all 4 sides. And then the lid, we're going to score it at 1 inch on all sides, but you just need to move it out ever so slightly. I'm still looking up as though my monitor is in front of me. I've been forever filming with a monitor in front of me, and despite changing my camera a couple of years ago, I don't know what's happening. Something's happening, and it's making it either pink or purple. It's fine when I'm looking at it on screen on the monitor that's usually in front of me. Absolutely fine there. It's fine when I upload it to my SD card, and somewhere between my SD card and YouTube, it's going pink. And I can't do anything. I don't know what to do. So, bravely filming off my phone today. See what happens. So, yeah, defunct camera. Literally, I took it down. I went, that's it, I've had enough. So, it was a very expensive camera as well, which was fine initially and just gone wrong. Okay, so I've scored everything. What I'm going to do is cut this one, which you should hopefully see better. Just realised all my paper snips have gone missing again. I genuinely don't know where they go. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm cutting straight on the rectangle and I'm cutting into the square. Okay, so I'm going to hover that and stand and make sure that we're still recording. Oh yes we are, that's good. And so you can see where I've wedged out, and I'm going to do exactly the same on this bit with the world's biggest scissors. You know, I half wish I'd done the other paper now. I might still yet change. Or rather, I wish I'd done this pattern rather than that pattern. Sam's changing her mind. I'm going to go with this paper, so I'm going to bend all the other way around and burnish that because, you know, keep you on your toes. Keep me on my toes. Okay. Right, what do I need? I need some, I'm going to go with Seal Plus for speed. Love this stuff. With Seal Plus, you have to be slow and gentle. So don't push really hard, and just go slowly, and then it comes out without issue. That doesn't mean to say I don't have the occasional issue with black or night of navy, but in the main, slow and gentle, and you'll be absolutely fine. And it's a sort of rocking motion, so it's a, you're going like that, not, okay. So again, just fold round, and by making that little adjustment, this lid should hopefully fit over the box without any issue. Oh, I forgot to say the finished dimensions. Oh, silly me. Let's get my tin out. They're lovely, love hearts. This got a bit battered, unfortunately. You see, Amazon. Swizzles 100-gram love hearts tin. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Yeah, the box finishes up at 5 by 5 by 1.5 deep, which is 12.5 by 12.5 by 4 centimetres. That works well with the lilac, the lovely Highland heather. That's too cute. Right, so I've got the Sweet Conversations stamp set here and the matching dies, and I've got my mini cutting and bobs and my plates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp first. Have I got any random scraps of white? It's quite a big random. And I'm going to cut. One, two, three. Oh no, I think I'm going to go these first. So I'm going to do the cheats method and do it all in one go. So all three on there, and I want gorgeous grey. So just check and see if we're still filming. Oh, we're still filming. This is surely exciting. All three of those on there. So that's in gorgeous grey to get the depth of colour. And then Highland heather. Drop it. And with this, oh, I want a scrap as well. Oh, let's just stamp off. Do we want, oh no, we don't want to stamp off, so straight on. And the last one, can't see. Wonder if my head's in the camera, or my hair technically. Oh, that's really wibbly. It's okay, it's handmade. We don't mind handmade. Okay, so plate 1, plate 2, then those, and then I want all my dies out. I want that one and that one, and this one here. I'm not going to put the little hearts on this time. And my infamous roll of washi tape. Can't see where it starts and ends. There we go. Oh, look, I've got a die there I don't need. Oh, and it's split now. Possibly because I haven't got, oh, for goodness sake, any glasses on today. Can't actually really see what I'm doing. I wear close-up glasses when I get tired. When I get tired, or when my eyes get tired, is when I need, there we go, when I need to put my glasses on. Apparently I'm more tired than I realised. I'm doing that whole, ooh, at a distance thing with this washi tape. Yeah, my distance vision, not so great. Close up, not so great. Bit in the middle is absolutely fine. So, yeah, I could stand and talk to you and see you perfectly fine, but give me something small to read and I'm like, no, 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 that's fine. Or ask me to read something on the other side of a convention hall. I'm not going to see that either. So, yeah. Anybody else like me? Glasses for driving and for close-up stuff. Who knew? Right, let's get that through my little mini cut and emboss, which is my best friend. I don't do as much, I haven't ever done as much die cutting as I currently do. And yeah, I do way more because that little machine is there. 1, 2, 3, and then let's get these off immediately because I don't want to inadvertently throw one in the bin. And I'm going to elevate these with dimensionals. Text me, hug me, love you. Okay, that probably should have been me. So, what do you think? They're cute. They're just nice, simple projects. I mean, you could add some ribbon, but if you're going to give this to a guy, he might not want the ribbon. He might just want the sweeties inside. So, anyway, I hope this video comes out well. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.